Hi everyone. Yesterday I posted a quick video for signing into Google Classroom using a MacBook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access Google Classroom through a Chromebook. So if you're having issues signing in with a Chromebook, I'm hoping this tutorial will help. It's not very different from the MacBook, but there are some slight differences. So from your desktop, you want to access your web browser. This is Google Chrome. And then go ahead and search for Stone Lake Elementary if you don't have it saved. But I'll go ahead and enter Stone Lake and then click on the link. Now you want to scroll down until you see the Class Link portal. So that's right here. Click on the Class Link portal. Sign in. So you want to sign in with your child's username, and if you don't have that, contact your child's teacher. They should be able to provide that for you. When you're entering the username, you do not need to enter the @egusd.net. So go ahead and enter the password, sign in. So this is sort of the dashboard for your child's account, and on the left hand corner, click on the Google Classroom. Your screen may look a little different depending on your child. So if you don't see your classroom here, go to the top right corner and click on the account, which is the little round icon here, and look for your child's EGUSD account. I don't see it here. If you see a sign in with another or switch accounts or something here, go ahead and click that. But I don't have it on my screen other than manage account. So I'm going to go back down here, click on try another account. And then right here, I don't see his sign in. So I don't see the egusd.net email. I'm going to click on use another account. So what that does is opens your Chromebook settings, and then you just want to add account. Now you're going to enter the username that you use to sign into the portal. This time you have to enter the @egusd.net. Click next or hit enter. Type in your password. Click next or hit enter. Agree to the terms, and then you can exit your settings. Now that you're back here in the classroom, you're going to click on the account again. And here I can see the account I added. So I'm going to click on this account. And now I see a couple of classrooms. So I want to access his current teacher. Click on the link. And that'll take you to the classroom. Thanks for watching. I hope this was very helpful. If you want to see the tutorial for the MacBook, I'll link it in this video. But it's pretty much the same process.